Wow.
So of course, someone going to a top 10, top 14 school, they're thinking about many opportunities available. Someone who goes to a lower ranked school, how does that typically affect employment opportunities? This person's very forward thinking.
Yeah, very forward thinking. That's a great question. So basically what I've found is those who go to lower tier law schools become some of the most entrepreneurial, enterprising. They're the ones that hustle the most, like mad respect. In California, in Los Angeles, for example, those that end up at Southwestern Law School, or I think it's called Cal Western or something like that, another law school, a lot of them end up opening things like family law, bankruptcy, basic criminal law. Classic would be obviously personal injury, wills and trusts. All these are areas of law that you can either partner, go work for a small law firm, build up your acumen, build up your, cut your teeth on real legal work, and then move your way up until eventually opening your own practice, bringing other people together, and so forth. So I think you become very enterprising, and it's definitely not the end of the road. In fact, you'll probably be making even more money than you would if you worked at a corporate law firm. And it's probably more gratifying because it's something that you're doing with clients that you can actually select or not select. Obviously, if you do very well in such a field, you can also end up being tapped to be a judge. There's quite a few judges that have gone to lower tier law schools because they've proven themselves over time that there can be outstanding professionals, legal professionals that eventually would be selected to be on the bench. Other areas of where you can apply your legal degree is obviously in non-traditional fields. Journalism, you can apply it in politics, you can apply it in business and entrepreneurship. It's a great degree to have. I know for me, I'm an entrepreneur right now, right? And similar to you, we're both entrepreneurs. I'm not necessarily using my legal degree in the day-to-day and running Right Track Admissions, but it's allowed me to have a lot of credibility when I come to the table, right? But again, you're trying to shoot for the moon. A lot of questions people will ask, and I don't want to kind of deviate from there, is to say, listen, if I got into a school like Vanderbilt, right? What's Vanderbilt? Maybe top 25 at this point. And I got into UC Hastings, which I think is top 40 or maybe like somewhere there. Which school do I go to? Is it by ranking or not? In that case, you want to start thinking about where it's located. Vanderbilt's located in the middle of Tennessee. If you have no interest to practice in the Deep South, then probably UC Hastings better, especially because you're going to have a lot of opportunities in San Francisco. Judges, other lawyers, other practitioners who you can kind of, create that camaraderie as an alum. So you want to kind of think about that too in terms of ranking. And I can go on and on and on about that, but that's just one small snippet of it.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.